If you're searching for an AI video enhancer that can upscale AI-generated clips, restore old footage, or quickly sharpen blurry videos, you've come to the right place. I tested 3 popular AI video enhancers: Vmake AI, HitPaw VikPea, and Topaz Video AI. In this video, I'll quickly compare their results and help you decide which one is the best fit for your workflow. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the free option, Vmake AI. Vmake is a browser-based tool, and it's a solid choice if you don't need the highest possible quality and mainly work with short videos. Its biggest advantage is that it's free, making it ideal for quickly improving AI-generated clips or social media content. However, there is one major limitation. The free version only allows you to export 5 seconds of video at a time. If your video is longer, you'll need to divide it into several shorter clips, which can be a little inconvenient. Compared with HitPaw VikPea and Topaz Video AI, its overall enhancement quality is also slightly less impressive, especially when restoring fine details. Next, if you need a more powerful and versatile solution, let's move on to HitPaw VikPea. This is my top recommendation for portrait videos, anime footage, and black and white video colorization. It provides specialized AI models for different types of footage, allowing you to select the most suitable model and achieve more stable and consistent results. Its greatest strength is its versatility. You can improve video quality and colorize black and white footage within the same workflow, something the other 2 tools don't provide. Overall, it offers the best combination of enhancement quality, useful features, and ease of use. Finally, let's take a look at Topaz Video AI. Topaz is the best choice if your main priority is achieving maximum realism and professional-level detail. It performs particularly well with portrait videos and real-world footage, including landscapes and cinematic scenes. The main drawback is its price. It costs more than the other options, and its workflow may feel slightly more complicated for beginners. Topaz also doesn't include a built-in feature for colorizing black and white footage. Therefore, it focuses more on high-quality video enhancement than creative video restoration. Here's a quick summary. Choose Vmake AI if you need a free and fast solution for short clips. Choose HitPaw VikPea if you want an all-in-one video enhancer with specialized AI models and colorization features. And choose Topaz Video AI if you're looking for the most realistic, professional quality results. I've included all the download links in the description below. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more AI tool reviews and video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.